is going to just clean your teeth, okay? Okay, just cleaning, ha? Hi! Bring you up a little bit, ha, my dear? Why you're so big? Okay, sorry, ma'am. That's all right. Wee, we're going up. Wee! We have there. Okay, and just have a look, ha? Ooh, going down. Wee! Alright, look, this is the right, ha? Look, wee! Boing, boing. Sorry! It's laser. This is the mouth mirror. Tita Doc is just gonna check inside, okay? Open. Ooh! There's food! Wow! Open up, please. Wow! There's pineapple! Yummy! Okay, so now, this is just a toothpaste, okay? Tita Doc is just gonna brush, okay? Brush with this. Yeah, okay. This one, okay. See, this one, right here. Okay, what we're gonna do, can I borrow your nails, please? Your hand? Tita Doc is just gonna do it. Okay, one more. Okay. Again, one more. All of your nails. Okay, so we're gonna use this here. Okay, and then we're just gonna put this here. Alright, good job. Whoopsie. Nursery na siya. Hindi ba nag-start na?
Actually, nag-daycare siya. Daycare na may konting halong aral. Pero focus yun talaga for daycare since both me and my husband are working. So in the morning doon siya talaga.
May water din kayo.
Ay, wala na sa kotse.
Para maka-gargle siya later. Kasi, ay, sige ba? Palayin natin sa table. Gargle muna siya. Ay, drink muna siya ng water. Kasi later, hindi na, after na flouride na, hindi na siya pwede. Ilan ng water ko, mga 30 minutes.
Okay, sige.
Okay?
So,
Kumakain mo kayo ngayon or something?
Fruits na kanina sa sasakyan.
Okay.
So for after 30 minutes pa?
Yes.
Okay, sige.
Get water first. This is drinking water, ha? Okay?
You drink it, drink. Swallow.
Asa nag-work kayo, ma'am?
Yes.
Work from home naman.
Yes, working. Kaya lang minsan talagang may office days.
Okay. Ang tatapos na check your teeth. Oh, galing naman po yung duha. Galing ni Johan. Okay? Dito muna tayo, ha? Brushing. Yippee! Good job, Johan. See? It's ticklish. Tickle, tickle, tickle. Tickle your teeth. Tickle, tickle, tickle. Tickle your teeth. Dapat din talaga na mag-flouride na siya, no? Kasi may mga white spots na po.
Yun nga eh, pati yung sa pangil niya. Medyo yellowish. Kahit anong toothbrush namin.
Tickle, tickle, tickle. Tickle, tickle, tickle. It's ticklish, no?
It's ticklish yung
So kaya na, ano po muna tayo, ha? Brush muna. Kasi hindi pa pwedeng gamitan ng scaler. Medyo matatakot kasi siya. Wee! Oh, cleaning like a car. So cleaning the car of Johan. Wee! So nice! Wow! Ma'am, so far, maganda naman po yung teeth niya, no? Oo, walang kahit anong cavities.
Yeah.
You can spit, my dear.
Spit na. Johan, spit it, spit it.
So maganda, no? Maganda yung ano niya. Sino nagminaya?
Meron.
Wow! So lucky ni Johan! Okay, this one, no? Ibig sabihin ng ganito, ma'am. Ito yung area na palaging nalalagay ng food. Nasa stock ng food dyan. Open up, my dear. Hindi siya mahilig sa ano, sa chocolates.
Do you like chocolates?
Yeah. Ang galing naman, nag-brush yung teeth ko. Walang problem. Good job.
Tell Tita Doc you know how to brush your teeth, Johan.
Good job.
Right? You know how to brush your teeth, right?
I'm so proud. Good job. I'm gonna give you a star later.
Nice star.
Wow. Please. Ayan. And then after that, ma'am, we're going to put the flouride na po, ha?
Okay, 30 minutes?
Yes, 30 minutes. That's 1 hour. Okay? Last na, you drink water because later on, you cannot drink any more water. Okay, drink some water, my dear. Okay, swallow. Alright, we're gonna put the flouride now. Okay, dry lang, ha? Dry lang natin yung ano mo, dry yung teeth, girl. Open up, ha? Ayan, so this one, yung area na to, maganda i-flouride talaga. Oops, open up, ha? Yay! Okay, Tita Doc is just going to put magic potion. Magic to make your teeth stronger. Open up, Johan. Wow, good job. That's a big one. Wow. Super big, like a dinosaur. It's okay, you're gonna eat me now. No! No way! Good job. This is your first visit, but it's so nice. Oh my gosh, ikaw, ingat. I love this patient.
Oh, very good.
Sobrang nice, sobrang bait-bait naman. Okay, last one, my dear. Open, last one, my dear. Take na siya. Oh, wow, okay, hey, not so big, please. Alright, so what you do now is just spit, my dear, okay? Just spit. Spit, my dear. It's yucky a little bit, okay? But that will make your teeth very, very strong. Yay! Alright. So may mga white po na mamaya, no? Masastop sa teeth niya. Spit lang yun na. Okay, spit lang. You want to spit some more? Yeah, spit. It's yucky. I love this kid! You're so cute!
Oh, you say thank you!
Okay, now we're done for today.
Alright.
Yun lang, ganun lang kabilis, no?
Usually, how many months after or once a month ba advisable for
flouride?
Or for dental visit talaga?
Every 6 months.
Good job! Yeah, it's clean now!
Good job!
Wow,
It's
good
stronger
job!
now! Pwede ko ba akong mag-picture? Baka
Oh, sure, yes.